Nkofo amudi musika kotofuo. From na erigu mu buy motorbikes when di Malik Basintale eti. Tele na mu ko nsio bumu nyina na mu twa picture say mu na mu ye campaign say enye nu na win election.
Chobo nkwa na win election so abi o. Enye chobo nkwa na win election so abi o. David. It's far from that. Enye chobo hey enye no nkwa na dey win elections. Ente bia utimi tie mu kese chobo ya. Who say there are more to that chobo before you can win elections. To me dem asem ba wie the American NDC for community and say especially omo ye adwuma with various institutions.
Let me play it again.
Chobo nkwa na win elections so abi o. Enye chobo nkwa na win elections so abi o. David. It's far from that. Enye chobo hey enye no nkwa na dey win elections. Ente bia utimi tie mu kese chobo ya. Who say there are more to that chobo before you can win elections.
Okay. And this voice you've heard, your mama appointee back home. If I know Mary, I will see. All right. Now, me fly no baby, no near. Mary, or see, your expectation of the government are too much. Tone it down. Because it wasn't your Chobwe and Ayezu that made us win the election. We are Mary Awusi, or a CEO of Ghana Free Zones. And this was in her address, our TV SYZ, to NDC constituency executives and foot soldiers. Again, I'll say, your expectations of the government are too much. Tone it down. Because it wasn't your Chobwe and Ayeza that made us win the election. We are appointee, what did the emini peche. Now, let me explain something to you. Why this issue came up, or why she said this. And one is say, NDC Grassroots, some of the executives, am I worried? Almost say they are buying for our buy 2.0 way. Say we oba. Na unyoba uskin kala koko fe ni bia ye ma wa appointment ye komeje ankofo amu appointee omuso ma ya appointee omuso ti say emefa ha castle mu any the others no ase ankofo amu hips 40 41 42 and above nkwana ye appointee omu enu esu echire no se uni gluteal muscles no enne ye to uni bia yeah, appointee. Anti grassroots for ni others almost show mu so wow you about no hip size 40 now. I feel they disqualify and all others. So they started crying. When they started crying na open appointee, mami be your friend Rosemont Obeng. I appointee on so say I feel there or presidential aid to the president. Jo mama nkasa no. The grassroots they were complaining. Mami beka sembina grassroots for. Now they can get hope. So maybe a 4 years journey. Maybe other appointments will come next year, 2 years. Or say there be grassroots for me can no enye mu chobu ni ezu eza. Enye no na win election. Enu ma NDC no. Enye mu awesa makoye 5K men, 3K women. Activate body cameras and all those. Esenye enu na win election no ma NDC. Nkofo amudi musika kotofuo. From na erigu mu buy motorbikes when di Malik Basintale eti. Tele na mu ko nsio bumu nyina na mu twa picture say mu na mu ye campaign say enye enu na win election. Eye to ni hips tactics. Enu na NDC di win election. Ase dun ketia kai. O si edi nkosiafo. Nkofo mu ni to, nkofo mu ni hips. Nkofo mu nye koko. Amu na yedi win election. Ba ye win election ni wia. Election ye win wia. Nkofo mu skin na skin. We want to mean skin therapy. Who are ni hips, ni to. Enti mi appointee. Enti asemu fofo abani. Enti obi anje 3 minutes na yen sorry suna.
Yafo mahama appointee ya obetro say enye chobo ye ne yedinya adwuma no opese o kire say
na say enye na edi wini aba
enye na edi wini aba no but see e wini aba no wanya position ana meboa
I see you free zone
enti chese omo maka ne de omo nka ban na chi no mu nidi nya ye siwa ebi didi jebi nti ade na ye nepotism family and friends and abeye say wo big ass nso a na why your body enhancement kakra bi na why you qualify
pepe
enti omo ni to no omo manya enhancement no omo nka appointment me ho enya sa some of mo jimi mo fa abrantan ani echi ko gina police station ye eyezu eyeza mo kwasia
5k men 3k women
ai na mo ko konkrofo our face habo esi nkofo nyo mo niema mo twe nkofo mo macho no mo say mo feminism me mo masculine ni na academy just we need certificate we need big ass we qualify so be big position she say the all can in some fun ayeden a kire wo de ma meto aba ma MPP na ye ba ye na anya bia anyi yankase we ye NDC ni ntie ntime ne nya dai enya adwuma ye jai mo ne mo tena ho ne mo ye adwuma mo di sabotage ekufa ado aban ni na achi na mo ye NDC for so ma mo be kana adwuma ni bo anyi modi mo wo se prr se kran ke onet aban oba ye ose mo mfata enye mo ye yezu ni za no ene ma wi ni election chese bibi wo ho no ma ye di wi ni election empem gro unu matopabu a ene ma wo be ye CEO okay next time you it serves you right na mo me de nyame asese de mo woda ye no so no ho pepepe no ma ye den manyan o chine bio ma nko school o ma mo free education mo se mo mpe NDC for ni certificate obra hwe Basintale o so want me can masters ne ho ase
yeah
enti Basintale de ono ye number 1 na wo se ye ba ye de ni gina mrani
tanko computer
ene ayi answer sadali baby o hye bia ye betwe na fi US ha de naba ye betwe na fi US ha say e na ba be gina mrani because ono o hye obi kitchen and o say ye doctor kitchen doctor and ani kunu so see obi ayi basement e blog say ono so
Sansadeli
and ono so ye journalist meanwhile oni qualification ye de journalism enti wo se mo hye bibi ye na mo NDC for an opportunity na mahama mpo ma opportunity because they see obi ato aduane so wo go school wo chia mattress fee wo to we be da go school ni bi afini e benya omo be ye made munsie nyansa aban wo ba wo boa mo eni na do dan kwa aban eni Dr. Bawomi aban a mo opportunity se mo emra man the second time non ka all metro so ena mama yasa ya chi ko backwards because of mahama chira wo be di chire mo ene mahama ni Ibrahim eno masasa Ghana gold no omo no mo fa Ghana dwapade ni na aboso se si family and friends no mahama ne na ye be si o mahin kache mahama say me man family and friends ohen
you
se ene bole bamboy family and friends nepotism king ye de mahama
family and friends so heni yo me da say
me de ma oni ni Ibrahim why
yo me da
say wo hunu ye me boa the voice say de gacha wo wi wo tukwan ana ne bani nya bi ni nto no so wo tukwan ye boa wo hu nepotism wo
David
o so ya no mo point o monsa e wo gabi o che da akoso asanti be di atuo so e point o monsa e wo kanofori atakuntu kronkoso no mo nko na o magi position krom hanu say president o te so ne mani na agi position na say do pepa ne nsa kwa no ono de abia o chi so de bebom beboa o say Ibrahim enne waji Ghana sikani na aboso pese o yeso powerful to say na se pese o ya for so big gate nso so ene o mo di apere ya ene ono ma koda mpa so a omo sa o mezo no
yo
omo de omo ntena ho Nyankopon show medase
Kumasi Queen, excellent communication as usual. The aspiring, let me hear you.
What's for so Bill Gates?
For so Bill Gates. For an answer for soon Elon Musk.
Jacob Zuckerberg.
Yeah, boys. And if you remember no money from for woman. Omo here me mobo. Because a man do mutimi nya come for ene ma ho nya bi. Na be man de sa wonya kro na se wo de wa ho de na ko ye adwuma ne de a.
AyEka.
Ko ba bi a AyEka. Boys. the person me can hear me too be a won't can Washington I'm a bad assuring.
Okay.
So this whole evil for business nearby, you know. I had time I'm a junior home kakra, I'm like, okay. NPP for say a casa sadi. I think I've said it on your live back also say we have to study why when foreigners come to Ghana they align with NDC. So
Okay.
and currently see no Nanko for a big chrome have a brain.
A vote. Vote.
Yes. So we have to be very, very careful. So at some point, to say, maybe America say Mimi Fikumasi, Ningo Pram Nimi Chrome. So I'm not going to say anything about it. But at some point, Omabaka Parliament, they are going to make laws for I see fire to follow. And to Mr. The urban, like I said, NDC for we can't keep up. So on that, I was thinking about voice. I know, so you're part of NPP's communication.